Hi guys, welcome to Funky Monkey. Today for our very first video, we'll be making a big paper snowflake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. The material we'll be needing are one stapler, tape, scissors, and 6 pieces of white printer paper. For the first step, we'll be needing tape, scissors, and 1 piece of printer paper. So leave the stapler and the other printer papers aside. First, you're gonna want to fold it this way to make your square. And you'll take your scissors and cut it right here. Okay. Once you've got your folded piece like this, you have to make sure it's like a square, and then just fold it on the crease you already made. And then you fold it again to make a more little triangle. Make sure the two ends like this are connected. If this one isn't like folded properly, that's okay. We'll just correct it with our scissors. We'll cut it with our scissors. I crease it with my scissors like this so it's easier when I cut. Okay, as you see, I don't have to do any corrections because I folded it properly. But if you have any extras here on the side, like once I folded it, you might have any like extra parts here, you can cut those off. But don't cut any of the other side, or else you would need to do it all over again. So once you're done with that, you have 2 open flaps and then 1 folded side. On the folded side, you'll take your scissors and do 1 cut here, but you don't cut it fully till here. So you're gonna want to cut it here, but not fully, like this. I didn't cut it fully till there. So you're gonna want to do that 2 more times, but below. So 1 here, but this time you have to cut it a little bit farther. And then again, but on the bottom here. Okay. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps. So you're gonna want to open it. Like this. And then it'll be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on each side. You'll want to flip it so the crease you made will go a little bit flat. And then you'll flip it back this way. And then you're gonna want to like make it round a little bit here so you can tape. You'll use your tape and then like take a little piece of tape and then just tape it like this. So then you'll have a little bit of a round shape right here, so like a gap between there. And then you're gonna wanna flip it over like the circle part going down, and then do it again, but on this side with these 2 flaps. you're going to do that same thing by flipping it and then doing it with these two flaps. And then do one last time, you flip it over, then do it with these two flaps. If you have some extra tape here, you can just do a little cut and then fold it into the inside of it. And then you have one petal. You just made one petal of this snowflake. If you compare these and this, then they look exactly the same. Now let's make the 5 petals. Now we'll only be needing the 6 petals and the stapler. Now let's start stapling them together. So first you'll need to see both of the little sides of your petals and then keep them together like the tapes together, and then take your stapler and put it through both of these gaps from both of the petals and then staple it. It's easier if you hold it and do it, so you can hold it where you're going to staple it. And then you should staple it right there. And then do the same thing but the other way around. Okay, now you should do that with the other one too. Take another one and do it again, but using the longer side of the petals. And now do the other way just like the other one. So then one side should look like this with the staples, and the other side should also look that same way, like that with the staples. And keep on doing it, but this time with the little side. So the little sides should go together and the big sides should go together. So now I'll be doing the little sides, but if you started in the big sides, then you should do the big sides. And now I'll be doing it the other way. So it looks just like how I showed you. And now I'll be doing the big side. And now turn staple it around and do it. And now do it with the last one, but the little side facing both each other. And now I do it again, but the other way. And now we have a big long line of petals. Now for the last step, you have to combine all the ends together. And then you're going to have to staple it together. So you get all your ends. And then you use your stapler and staple it. I do more than one staple so I know that it's secure. Five staples so then it goes good. And then once you're done with that, you take the two parts that aren't connected and then connect those together, just like we did before. So first you connect it together like that, and then you do it the other way. And then your staples would like this and like this on this side. And then your snowflake is done. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what craft we should make next for our video.